lot of players, a lot of people who have had it in for a long time. Hugely talented player at the top of the order, and you can see that here. You talk about how as well, Lockie Ferguson's gone well, and particularly using the short ball against a lot of the Asian teams down in Chennai in particular. Harris Rath won round the park because of the extra pace last night again in his early spell if you're off the mark on these good pitches. So the pace is important, but hitting your leg is absolutely vital in good conditions.
Well, 70 for what?
Not batting.
Short story, is it?
Yeah. Actually, I have some other.
Phone pay accepts money from any app, whatever's your thing.
Actually, I think this came also.
मेरी गाड़ी पे वही कब है गाइस गर्मी तो बढ़ेगी ना
क्या चलती
दिन रात प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है यहाँ तो आपको स्टेडियम भी बंद हो जाए
एक काम करना चाहिए छोड़ छोड़ के लगा
पापा
प्रैक्टिस चैंपियन
एक्स्ट्रा सेफ पॉलीकैप ग्रीन वायर आपके सपनों को लेके से
Big offer! अब डेटॉल प्रोमो पैक्स पे पाएं मैक्सिमम प्रोटेक्शन और मैक्सिमम बचत। ऑफर डेटॉल के सभी मल्टी पैक्स पर।
See a few in here in Mumbai. What a magnificent stadium this is. One of the best. Sam Curran is on as a substitute for the fielder. In England, Michael Atherton have been put on the back foot over the last 45 minutes or so.
Yeah, they have. They made a good start. The new ball pair of Topley and Willie were right on it from the word go. It's the criticism that has been made of England in the tournament so far that they've been slow to get going. And is a brilliant player of the reverse sweep. They were right on it today with the new ball, but then the second half of the power play, the moment really that Topley went off, or the moment that Topley took that blow to his left index finger, consecutive boundaries followed on from that. And then after that, South Africa began to take control.
That shot like he's playing forward defensive. Easy.
Yeah, he certainly does. He's got so much confidence that he can play it from any line as well. You can see that just outside off stump, but he also backed to hit it off the stump.
Hendricks has been impressive there actually because he's coming cold. He's warmed the subs bench for the last 2 weeks. He took 13 balls, I think, to get off the mark. He's played some fantastic shots since then.
Sixth singles off that 13, 76 for 1. Contrast.
The future of tractors is here. New Mahindra Oja. Technology that helps you work faster and maximize profits. Mahindra Oja.
You have been in coma for 19 days.
19 days? Yes.
Mama!
सुनना इंश्योरेंस महंगा था ना
महंगे इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम से नहीं डरने का एनुअल नहीं मंथ ऑन मंथ भरने का फोन पे मंथली हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस
परफ्यूम लगा रहे हो या गैस उड़ा रहे हो?